Hey guys, what's up? My name's Jen. I'm a former flight attendant turned travel professional, travel commentator. I own my own travel agency and helping people travel every single day. Today we are going to react to Glitter and Lasers. She does a carry-on luggage only to Europe for 1 week. I am just really curious about what she packs. This is something I personally really struggle with. I'm actually seeing if there's any tips in here. I'm not gonna watch us to hate on her, but we'll see what she gets up to in the video. I am going to briefly talk about the switch up I'm going to do with this channel. This channel, I'm only going to start doing reactions only, which is kind of what I have been doing. I'm going to do reactions and different type of commentary, and that is all this channel is going to be. I'm creating a second channel that is going to be all about travel, tips, tricks, and like the more traditional travel videos, looking at different destinations, talking about them more in depth, and like for people who are looking for that real travel content, that channel is going to be for you. Over here, we're just chit-chatting and watching videos together, and it's just something I really enjoy doing. So that's going to continue here. I am going to change the name of this channel, so if you see that happen, do not worry. The other channel is going to be called Pine to Palm Travel, since that is going to be focused on that travel stuff. I will let you guys know, of course, when I update the channel name, and you guys will see it. So just wanted to briefly say that and let you guys know what the plan is for this channel. I'm going to hopefully continue uploading actually quite a bit more than I have been. We'll see how it goes. I don't have any current trips planned, which is really weird, but the moment that this happens, things like start popping up and I need to go somewhere, because Jamaica was not planned at all, which, hello, I've been in Jamaica for the last week. Still recovering from that. It was so much fun and I am exhausted from it, but worked very hard. I know you guys probably think like I'm traveling and it's a lot of travel, relaxing kind of thing. No, I saw many different sandals properties, room types. We were doing so much social media during it, taking video to show clients and just learning in depth what the Sandals Jamaica has to offer and what Jamaica has to offer in general. Don't get me wrong, there are many fun points, and I definitely feel very grateful that I got to be a part of this trip. Jamaica, love you. Can't wait to go back. So let's watch some Glitter and Lasers. As I said, she is packing a carry-on only going to Europe. This one is called I Can't Believe It's Possible 1 Week in Europe with Only a Carry-On. This video was done 1 year ago, just so you guys know, 1 year ago. Let's go ahead and get started.
Today, I'm flying to Europe for 7 days. I'm only taking this carry-on.
Sorry to pause it so quick right away, but doesn't she look like she weighs less than she does now? Which she's claiming, I think, that it's not, but this channel is not about her weight or deep diving into her lies and all of that. How she looks thinner here than she does now with everything that she's doing now, the surgeries and stuff. But I personally love her neon bright color bags. So often it's just typically people only have black bags that can't be distinguished between other people's black bags, and working in the industry, it's just one black bag after the other. So when someone comes around with a different bag, I really like it and appreciate it. I don't know if I would ever get a bright color. I probably would. I do like the fact that it's different and stands out. You can easily pick out your luggage. I know she has the bigger versions of these bags too. Okay, let's continue.
And you're probably wondering why I'm only bringing a carry-on. And yeah, there's a reason. I'm in reverse.
For some reason, I feel like that wasn't just for a show. Like, she kind of scares me sometimes, but I'm already seeing like her videography is a lot different nowadays, and you can see that there's a lot more effort put into this than her current videos. I know she's been busy dealing with her health stuff, but just kind of interesting difference to see. And it's raining.
This trip is starting off unexpectedly. Of course, I chose to wear a white shirt, and it rains.
Well, it's not like you're going to be standing out in the rain, right? I mean, odd. I also would not wear white on travel day. I don't know why. I just feel like it's just asking for a big stain to happen. But that's me. See, although I do wear this sweatshirt that I'm currently wearing all the time, it's like more beigey. I usually go for some darker colors, black or something. To each their own, I guess.
Why do I have the worst travel luck this year? I swear. So I have a pretty tight schedule, and I just found out my flight to to Chicago is delayed, and I'm going to miss my flight to London, and I can't find a flight to get me to London. So we did.
That's a reason that you need a travel agent, definitely. I wonder if she uses one to try to fix that for you. Maybe there's a way to get you there. Usually New York has some late flights out to London, although she's starting in Austin, so that's a little ways away. I just feel like every time she starts one of these travel vlogs or videos, she just gets very negative. Like from the very beginning, it's just raining and delays happen. It's almost like, those people who just manifest the negativity around them. And I don't know if it's just people vibing off of them, but even like delays, you always hear about those people like, oh, I always get delays. I always have this. It's like almost they're bringing it on themselves. But I just feel like she's one of those people. There's always something bad happening, which in reality of travel and how much she does travel or was traveling, delays and this kind of stuff are going to happen. It's not bad luck. There's a storm rolling through. You're traveling probably in the summer. It happens. And you just have to be prepared for that kind of thing. That's why, though, booking important trips and keeping the schedule super tight, it makes it a lot more stressful. So you don't have that leeway day, at least, in case something happens, or for you to just like rest and get used to the time difference.
Not, in fact, find a solution. I'm standing in the rain because that's how I emotionally.
It's not even raining.
Life is raining on me. But I'm going to go tomorrow. Hopefully. Because I just didn't have any seats today. It's too late to fly. Is there a rain?
Wait, they didn't have any seats today. I'm confused. Didn't she say it was a delay, or do they not have seats? I'm very, very confused. I know she had a previous video, which we might watch on here, talking about how she kind of like had a panic attack and threw a fit because she only booked one seat for herself, and they ended up bumping her from the flight and then booking her like stream discount business class ticket, which I have a lot of issues with that video in general. First, she's saying there's a delay, so she would miss the London flight, and now she just said that there's no seats on it. So is she actually just like really late, or what's really going on? Because something is not making sense here.
Rainbow? No, that's just the sunset. There's nothing. There's no pot of gold at the end of this. It just means I don't get a day to relax. I'm literally going to have to go off the plane to filming, which I don't love.
Okay, so she did have a buffer day. That's great.
Guess who's getting takeout?
Also, I just want to point out that I told my friend that something was going to go wrong. And she said, oh, no, you're just having travel anxiety. It's normal. No. Anna's gut does not lie. She might be a little.
I told you. She kind of like brings it on herself.
Predicts when something's going to go down. And I knew something.
Now that she said that there was no seats on the plane, I'm wondering what actually happened for this to go down, because I kind of am feeling like something else happened, or she was too late, or I don't know. Something doesn't seem right, because if you have a delayed flight, there's still your seat is still there. It's not that they don't have seats for you. And then if it's a delayed flight and you miss your connection, that plane's gone. It's not that they don't have seats for you too. I don't get it.
That was going to go wrong. And now I know it's this. So hopefully the rest of the trip will be fine. They said that about Spain, though, and that did not go well.
We saw some of that.
And I'm running late, as usual. Right on track.
See why I feel like something else kind of happened. United. She's in business class. I wonder if the same thing happened in this video as the one she uploaded. She booked one seat, threw a fit, and they didn't have any business class seats for her. I really think that's what happened. This is supposed to be about her carry-on luggage. Like, what the heck? I don't know. I just feel like something was weird with this. I have heard that United's business class is really, really nice. I have not been on United's business class. I've only been on Delta's business class, which is great as well. But I've heard that United is top notch. If you guys have been on a United business class, please let me know, and if you enjoyed it and how it compares to others. I would love to do like a comparison video someday. It's super expensive, so don't know if I'll ever get that opportunity. Definitely really, really interesting. Maybe we'll watch a video of someone doing all the comparisons of the business classes. Okay, finally.
I cannot believe how much stuff I actually got in my carry-on. When I unpacked it at the hotel, it kind of just blew my mind. So I'm going to show you everything.
Kind of a lot, actually.
And it's pretty shocking. Like, I know I'm hyping it up here, but guys, it really is way more than I ever thought could fit in one seemingly tiny suitcase.
And I'm not trying to be rude when I say this, but like her clothes are going to be larger than someone who's like a teeny tiny extra small person. I've talked about that on here before. I'm like, oh, I wish I was like super skinny so my clothes are tiny so I could pack more into my suitcase. And that's just something that is pretty obvious. And even my clothes compared to my sister packing, my clothes take up a lot more space than hers just because I'm larger than her. So it's very interesting to me that she was able to really get that much into her suitcase. Let's see if she actually talks about it now.
So I had 3 t-shirts, one colorful and a black and white one. Then I had a graphic.
Actually neutrals, which is hard for her.
Tops, one in a print, one solid. I had the cardigan.
Kind of a lot.
Plain. Then I brought like a longer jacket and a cropped moto. 3 pairs of leggings, 2 basic, 1 like a bright color, and then 2 skirts. Now, this probably...
That's a lot. Let me go back real quick and let's just see that line up here. So essentially there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Essentially she has 5 different outfits to wear that are completely different every single day. And then you have only a couple days that you need to mix and match. I think I overpack. I really don't need to pack as much as I do, but I have such a hard time knowing like what I'm going to be comfortable with when I'm there, like how I'm going to be feeling. And do I want to have my arms out today or do I not? I need to get over that. Like if Anna can do it, I can do it too. I should challenge myself. Maybe that should be my next trip is go for 1 week over to Europe and just do a carry-on bag. That should be my next trip, just to challenge myself, prove to myself that it's okay.
Now, this probably feels like a lot in and of itself, right? But no, there was actually more, a whole other bed of stuff. So Let's see what else I got in the suitcase. So I got 3 pairs of biker shorts to like work out in and wear under the skirts. Then I got 2 sports bras and then 2 cropped like tank bras. And
she kind of wears those shirts too.
That feels like a...
For 1 week, do you need 2 pairs of pajamas or would you wear 1 pair? I guess for Jamaica, I brought 2 pair. This is a lot of stuff, actually. I'm surprised. She must not have a lot of toiletries. That's my downfall is toiletries.
Right? But you might notice that some things are missing, like underwear and accessories. And I also had a whole bed full of that stuff. I was able to...
How many beds do you have? 2
scarves, 2 purses, 2 hats. Underneath one of the hats is all my underwear because we don't need to display those on the bed, and an extra pair of shoes. I had a lot of stuff and I was able to make a lot of really comfortable, practical outfits. Today's look.
I think this is when she did her London vlog.
I like it. It's simple, it's comfortable, it's great for a day of like getting out there and sightseeing. The look.
Okay, her going out. They did like karaoke that night, I think.
Oh. So I am off on the next part of this trip. So I'm taking another flight. So I just wanted to be comfortable. So I wore leggings, the same cardigan I've just been using, and then just a black tee, cropped, super comfy, super cute. I
don't know if I'd say super cute, but it's chill.
But yeah, we're heading out now.
It's a very neutral wardrobe for her too, which is odd. If you're going to be packing light, neutral is the way to go because you can mix and match everything so much.
I'm dressing for fashion, which is not bad, right? That is one way to go on a trip. But sometimes when I'm on the go and I'm there for work and I don't have time to really like live in my like fashion dream, I just want to be comfortable and get shit done. Right? So that's what these outfits were about. Just being comfortable knowing that I was going to walk a really, really, really long time and have to get a lot of stuff done. And I feel like I was able to put together all of these really cute outfits that felt very me, that were very practical, but also had enough variety with what I did pack to look like I had a different outfit every day. But as you can see,
I think she did a good job on this. I'm very hypercritical on Anna. She drives me nuts most of the time. But this, she did well. She did really well. I really want to see your toiletries, actually, though.
And I had so many more things I could have worn in case I got delayed or stuck, while still using just the simple amount of pieces I had in my suitcase. Here is today's look. I'm actually really psyched about this.
She really re-wore those skirts, too, quite a bit.
You know, it's not fancy.
Oh, and she was using the scarf for different things.
Accessible. And I think this says that I'm stylish and chic while also being like accessible. Anyway, I thought this was a really fun video.
It's not super stylish, but she's not saying she was trying to.
Have a full suitcase or just a carry-on. You can make your wardrobe work for your agenda. And when traveling places where getting your luggage can be a little questionable, packing with just a carry-on can be an asset. And it just goes to show you can look fabulous and pack light. Ready to head home as best I can be. I'm just comfy. I'm cozy.
We didn't see her wearing her workout clothes at all. I wonder if she did work out or just didn't show us. I think maybe she could have gotten another outfit in if she dropped like one workout outfit if she wasn't going to be working out that much. Although the biker shorts are nice to lounge in sometimes too, if you have time.
And I'm ready to be home. I'm ready to be done. I'm done. Links to everything are down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Of course they are.
For me, if you want to see it again, I'd love to make it again. It was fun. With that, I hope you have an amazing rest of the day.
So that was her very short video. I have more questions and answers, honestly, and it's about what happened to her flight and what happened with the delay and what went on with that. Honestly, the carry-on luggage part, she did well. I really wish I could see her toiletries, and I wonder if she has any videos of her talking about her toiletries, but I don't think so. I haven't seen anything yet, so I'd be curious. Let's go in and look at what links she has. I'm curious to see about her suitcase. The orange is sold out, but I'm curious to see how much that suitcase is. Okay, it's from Nordstrom. $238. Ooh, I was not expecting that. Is the bright orange? Yeah, it looks like they only have beige and black. Go figure. The nice little suitcase. Golly. Oh, she really put every single thing in there. But, you know, that's what she does. That is all we have for Anna. I am very impressed. I think maybe my issue is I need to cut down on toiletries and I need to maybe get a little bit better at fashion in the sense of like putting outfits together and being able to rewear things. Sometimes like during the day, if I do a lot of activities on the trip, like let's say Jamaica, we were going to different resorts and checking out different rooms and all that, we were sweating our butts off. I'm not going to rewear the outfit that I wore that day. That's the problem that I find. I do struggle with that, but I think I can get better at it. This has been like my goal. Maybe this should be like my New Year's resolution, is to become a better packer and see how I do with my trips next year. Maybe we'll do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys just hanging out and watching videos with me. That was a nice and short and sweet one. I will be back probably on Wednesday with another video. I have some really good ones and juicy ones lined up. I just needed a little short one today to get back into the swing of things. I'll see you later this week. Bye.